Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to change slow motion speed in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to slow motion mode, and basically to change speed you have to tap on this icon here or swipe to this menu, and by changing frame rate you can change slow motion speed. So you have like 120 fps, 240 fps, and also 960 fps for super slow motion. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.